Hi, I'm Stephen Yong from Help University, and I'm the Deputy Head of School of ICT, Faculty of Computing and Digital Technology. I would like to share with you the ever-changing skill set that is most required in the future. The world is changing, according to Mark. The pandemic has caused all of us to change, and we are creating a new work environment. In fact, it was already changing long before the pandemic came along. Technology that enables us to work effectively from anywhere at your own pace comes with the help of cloud-based platforms that have been around since many years back. But the biggest acceleration of change caused by the pandemic happens recently, and this will last for years. With these technologies, the most in-demand skills for the future are rapidly evolving, especially the IT skill sets that are required in the job scope. Hiring the right candidates has become increasingly challenging for businesses. Candidates need to demonstrate skills that not only comes from communication and personal skills, but IT skills such as data analytics skills and the ability of programming are needed. COVID-19 has led to economic uncertainty where it is pushing companies to scale remote work, to accelerate digitizations, and to accelerate automations. This digital mandate isn't something new, but it is simply being brought into sharp focus during this pandemic. Prior to the pandemic, a paradigm shift towards digitizations of the economy was already underway. Current events have accelerated the paradigm, as evidenced by the marked shift in spending towards digital businesses, and this is just the beginning. If there were any doubts about the necessity of digital transformations to business longevity, the coronavirus has silenced them. With the current situations, the vast majority of interactions with stakeholders such as customers and employees already taken place virtually, with rare exceptions. Operating digitally is the only way to stay in business through mandated shutdowns and restricted activities, and even in the near futures. It's either go digital or go nowhere. The pandemic is a reality check for businesses that have been reluctant to embrace digital transformations and now find themselves woefully unprepared. On top of the stress of potentially health-compromised employees, a sudden and dramatic drop-off in demand and total economic uncertainties, these digital laggards are now scrambling to migrate their operations and workforce to a virtual environment. On the other hand, businesses that had not only developed digital strategies, but executed on their prior to the pandemic are now in a position of leapfrog their competitors, a future that looks very different from the world pre-pandemic. With the move to digitize the business, there are quite a number of digital advantages, such as the efficiencies and productivity advantage, security advantage, and customer and agility advantage. As for efficiency advantage, it is where the digital technologies were used to streamline operations and automate manual processes, resulting in a greater speed, less waste, and more focus on revenue-generating activities. As for security advantage, most of us get to know these are the ones that better prepare for and more resilient to the proliferations of cyber threats in current environment. And same goes to customers and agility advantage. They mine the customer's data to monitor for shift in demand and uncover emerging customer needs. This is where data analytics comes in place, so that they leverage data-driven insights to make decisions faster and act on them fastest. They have built-in cultural flexibility to adapt or change courses at any time, at any point. Digitization is increasingly important as demand for digital jobs are expected to grow worldwide, according to Microsoft year 2020. The Great Lockdown will accelerate digitizations, with 149 million new jobs by year 2025, 1 million is in privacy and trust, 6 million in cybersecurity, 20 million in data analysis, machine learning and AI, which is a niche market, 23 million cloud and data roles, and 98 million are still applicable in software development. Software development comes with a strong growth, as most of the jobs will be automated in the near future. Research shows more jobs will be replaced by machine or to be automated. Referred to World Economic Forum by the year 2025, there are 47% jobs to be automated. And to refer to World Economic Forum year 2020, the top 10 job roles, which is in increasing demands, are data analysts and scientists, AI and machine learning specialists, big data specialists, and software and application developer are still within top 10. And definitely there are some of those which is in decreasing demand, which I'm not going to share with you here. Why IT matters? Because companies have to adopt technologies, especially new technologies, to survive. This is sourced from World Economic Forum as well. And that's where it comes with 85% user and entity big data analytics is to be adopted by most of the companies, and also app and web enabled markets, Internet of Things, IoT, machine learning, ML, cloud computing, and a lot more. To move on with this, again, is being sourced from World Economic Forum Future of Jobs Reports 2018. There are stable roles in all the different industries, such as software and applications developers and analysts. The new roles are all tech-based, as you can see. Data analysts and scientists, database and network professionals, information security analysts, data analysts and scientists, AI and machine learning specialists, big data specialists, digital transformation specialists, new technology specialists, software and application developers and analysts, information technology services, and a lot more, as you can see, even including user experience, UX, and others. And with the research based on LinkedIn Top 10 Emerging Jobs 2020, these are the emerging jobs are all in IT, especially data scientists, customer success specialists, BI and building information modeling and whatnot. The industry is still referring to IT and services, computer software and whatnot. As a result, 50% of all employees will need reskilling by year 2025 or upskilling. So are you interested in a career in information technology? If yes, are you the one that like technology services, such as discovering how computer works, programming, troubleshooting hardware issues, exploring different operating systems, securities and hacking, making technology scalable, reliable and secure, or even though if you want to venture into more like business services, you are the one that maybe like to work with people, problem solving, planning and thinking ahead, understanding consumer behaviors, analyzing data to find insights and business solutions, or even to connect people with data. Or you might be the person that you like software development, such as combining technologies with everyday objects, being innovative, thinking outside the box, designing, building new things, IoT, logical thinking, problem solving, artificial intelligence, AI, or mastering any of this technology. These are the three main areas in IT jobs where it comes with applications development. Applications development comes with software engineer, and it falls under software engineer. You can become a software developer, a mobile developer, system analyst, or software testers. If you are not into software engineering, you might want to consider IT infrastructures, where it comes with IT operations, where it leads to system engineers to set up, configure the systems, IT security, and also that comes with IT supports. And data analytics, which is in trend. And in near future, this is the one that has been in demand. Data analytics comes with data engineer to set up and to configure the services, as in database servers, and also we have data analysts to do up data cleaning, data visualizations, and also we have data scientists to come up with the predictions models using ML models, machine learning models. So some of these are the IT infrastructures jobs, such as the essential technology jobs that enable smooth operations. It can be day-to-day operations, upgrades and maintenance, IT security, IT support, and help desk, as what I just shared with you guys just now. And then jobs in this area are related to software engineering tasks, where you can become applications consultant, system analyst, software design, software development, software testing, and etc. And lastly, it can be data analytics job. Data analytics job is the one that comes with data cleaning, data visualizations, data analytics, predictions models, and etc. So IT programs at Help University are designed to meet industry needs and prepare graduates for future roles and technologies. Our diploma in IT program is designed to suit SPM levels, IGCSE levels, and also O-level levels. As for students that have graduated with UEC results and A-level, they will be joining Bachelor of IT programs. Our Bachelor of IT programs come with 5 different tracks, namely mobile computing tracks, data engineering tracks, we have the e-business tracks, web engineering tracks, and computer networking tracks. We do have another programs which is on Bachelor of Information Technologies, data analytics, which is in trend. The Faculty of Computing and Digital Technology come with strong industry and academic partnerships. And also it comes with high graduate employability with more than 90%, because the remaining 10% we want to become technopreneurs and also to further their studies with us. And this is some of the images just to share with you how our Subang 2 Help University campus looks like, where we have the libraries and etc. And diploma in IT programs here, which I did share with you guys, especially the one that suits SPM levels, IGCSE levels, and O-levels. It is a 2-year program. After you have graduated from SPM or IGCSE O-levels, I would recommend you to join Diploma in IT program, because in our Diploma in IT programs, 2-year study with us at Help University, there will be 7 different programming languages and scripting to be taught, so that you build a very strong concepts before you move on to the degree programs. As in visual programming, the first programming language, structural programming, the second, and we do have our internet technology, third, web development, object-oriented, fourth, operating system, fifth, which will be teaching you not only to differentiate between operating system, but we teach you how to script, and that's where we will use Raspberry Pis and etc. And programming principles, Python, 6, and interactive media applications. We will be using Unity. We are the only university that start teaching Unity during diploma levels, so that you can start to build your system cross-platform, platform independent, that is to be built on one platform to be used by Android phone, iOS phone, Windows phone, or whatever platforms it is. So with the 2-year study with us at Help University Diploma in IT, once you have graduated from our Diploma in IT, it's whether you want to stay put in Malaysia to continue with our Help University's degree program with another 1 year and 8 months time to complete. In short, diploma to degree at Help Universities only takes you 3 years and 8 months to complete. Or else you can move on to other countries such as Australia with Australian National Universities, the University of Queensland. These are the group of 8 leading universities in Australia. And Australian National Universities is the top in Australia. And looking at it, you can proceed with Diploma in IT 2 years at Help Universities and to move on with ANU, Australian National Universities, with another 2 years, or the University of Queensland. with only 1.5 years to complete your degree programs. In short, 3.5 years from diploma to degree program. And also we do have UK, New Zealand, or even China. Everyone gets to know where we were to refer to technologies. China is the country that we might be interested to move on to when it comes with educations and otherwise. So once you have completed our diploma in IT programs 2 years at Howard universities, you can move on to China in Beijing Jiao Tong universities with another 2 years. So altogether 4 years, you'll be completing your degree programs. So this is the one that I just shared with you guys, 2 plus 1.5 years with University of Queensland or with University of Technology Sydney. And even in New Zealand, we do have that 2 plus 1.5 years as well, Beijing Jiao Tong University 2 plus 2. And this is our IT program that I did share with you. On our Bachelor of IT, we have 5 different tracks. If you are interested in developing mobile applications, you can move on to mobile computing track. If you are more towards data analytics, you can move on to data engineering track, analyzing data. And if you are more into IoT, cybersecurity, forensic, you can move on to computer networking track, or else you can move on to e-business track. That is where everyone has started to move into e-business, or web engineering track, where it comes with web services, web servers, and web design. And also we have another program known as work-based learning, WBL 2U1I programs. This is where the final year of your study, instead of coming to the universities to complete your studies, it will be 1 full year industry internship. We will place you, having said that is a placement in the industries. For 1 year with experiences, you are ahead compared to your friends that study together with you at the same time. This program will help you to gain more experiences. And this is our data analytics programs that I share with you. And we have been working with SAS. SAS is a pioneer in terms of developing the data analytics software, and we have been working with them. Once you have graduated from data analytics programs, you get a joint certificate from SAS. So it shows that it is a kind of like a passport for you to join your career in data analyst, data engineer, being data engineer, or data scientist. And these are some of the professional certificates that we recommend our students to sit for, and we will prepare our students to sit for some of those, which is Oracle database, Oracle programming, and even the one that comes with AWS, and we are AWS partners. And these are some of the collaborations that we have with the industry partners. So that's all I would like to share with you, and I hope to see you guys in Hub Universities. If you have any inquiries or doubts, you can contact me at the number shown here, 012-239-3908, and I'm Stephen Young. Nice meeting you guys, and have a nice day ahead. And please stay safe during this pandemic and take care. Thank you so much.